And now, with the performance of her new gay anthem, it's Glad's Ally of the Year, Taylor Swift.
I dedicate this song to all my gay friends, but especially my dear gay friend, Darren. I love all my gay friends. They're so fun and different. Our friendship is so genuine, so please do not be mean to them. My gay friends teach me about stuff that's cool and really gay. They teach me how to do makeup and say things like Shantae, you stay. My gay friends love to do my hair. They paint my nails, they pick my clothes, they put my shoes on my straight feet. And when I need my purse, how they hold my purse. My gay friends love to 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 hold my purse. They love it. You guys love it, right? They love it. My gay friends hold my purse at the mall, the indoor mall or the outdoor mall, the inside part of the outdoor mall, the part of the mall that is outside. My gay friends hold my purse at events, like on the Grammys, red carpet. They hold my purse and feed from me, so they're not in my Getty images. My gay friends love to hold my cat, 'cause they're allergic to my cat, so I sneak my cat inside my purse. So when they hold my purse, they're holding my cat. My gay friends love to hold my purse. My gay friends love to hold my purse. They hold my purse and my purse is purse. 'Cause my gay friends love to hold my purse. You guys love my cat and my purse? I was voguing down the street when I saw my gay friend Darren. He was lying on the ground, and I was like, "Yas, death drop." He said it was hit and run, and I said more like a hate and run. So I called my driver to pick us up. My driver is a lesbian. We drove to the hospital. I need brunch, 'cause I know gay people love brunch. I got French toast, he got a crepe. He got blood on his crepe. And I was like, that is shade. So I gave my purse to Darren to hold. And when I looked over, Darren was dead. My gay friend died holding my purse. My gay friend died holding my purse. My gay friend died doing what he loved. And what he loved was holding my purse. So I buried my gay friend in my purse. I buried my gay friend in my purse. I buried my purse inside the mall. And also my cat died in my purse.
Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah. Wake up, what's up, can you hear you right now? Somebody come and tell this lady cool down. Wake up and get yourself to church, yeah.
What a beautiful day in Seattle, Washington State, not DC.
Detective Jones, we've got a 1031 shoot.
What's wrong?
It seems the Starbucks coffee factory was robbed by a bunch of hipsters.
Starbucks, our city's drink. Hipsters.
They were the last scene between the Space Needle and that outdoor fish market everyone goes to where they throw the fish around for some reason.
I think we call it Fisherman's Wharf. Where are they?
We gotta shoot up, we gotta go.
All right, let's go.
Put your guns down and get up on a Starbucks going. I got one of the hipsters right here.
Lieutenant Mac, this is our investigation.
I thought I told you. I don't play by the rules. Or didn't you understand me on account of my thick Seattletonian accent? All right, better fess up, or you're headed to the city's jail, Seattle jail. Seattle jail. They don't got no Patagonia.
Hey, I'll tell you everything you need to know, okay? The coffee shop, it was just a diversion. The real target was the Museum of Popular Culture.
The Museum of Popular Culture?
Yes, just in case anyone wants to know more. The Museum of Popular Culture, otherwise known as MoPal, is a non-profit organization dedicated. It was founded in 2000 by Microsoft CEO Paul Allen as part of the Experience Music Project. This Wikipedia article was dedicated and last edited in February 23rd, 2019. Okay, that's all I know, I swear to God.
Damn. We need to go to the Museum of Popular Culture now.
It's too late.
No, we're not.
I'm Tammy Frazier.
I accepted these delinquents trying to rob the Museum of Pop Culture. Judging by the shoddiness of their work, it must be Yale alumni like my brother Niles.
I don't know what to do with those tossed They're calling again.
Hey, how about Starbucks for everyone?
Yeah!
You know there's nothing we love in Seattle more than Starbucks, except for our sports teams. Okay, let's go!
Seattle Seahawks, NFL. Seattle Mariners, MLB. Seattle Sounders, MLS. These are the three biggest sports teams in Seattle. Thank you for visiting cityfacts.com. Thumbs up sign 24. Thumbs down sign 57.
Cheers.
That's a show I was on.
Officers, there's been a crawfish heist on Bourbon Street. The perps got away because of how it's Mardi Gras right now. Oh, am I wrong city?
You're looking for New Orleans, that's west of here.
Okay, my bad.
I say I love her once I take it from the heart. Ass stats wanna taste like that car. Gold link is a black work of art. I don't need no friends in my life. I don't need no girl that get high, huh? I just need a boat and a tan and a black girl with a fire.
Hello, ladies. Your teacher stepped out so that I could come in and talk to you about your changing bodies. So I created this girl PowerPoint. Yeah. Of all the anonymous questions you submitted before class today, okay? Trust me. Every girl has confusion about their bodies. You are not alone. All right, let's get to that first question. Oh, girl, that's a good one. Okay. Yes. Now I know what you're thinking. Rats did it. That's exactly what I was thinking when I started spying too, okay? I'm sure your mom assumed somebody else would tell you, just like my mom did. So you assumed just like I did that one day while you were sleeping. Rats crawled into your vaginas, got lost. And they started spreading. Girls! That's logical, right? That explains the blood and the cramps, girls, but we are wrong. I mean, I'm gonna tell you something that's gonna blow your minds, okay? So actually, it's really something called a period. And all that means is your uterine lining is sloughing off once a month. Crazy, right? I learned that little tidbit last year. Let's get to that next question. Okay. Oh, on a roll. I like this one. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. What's the best way to appease a colony of rats who have turned my body into their pussy party palace? Okay, first of all, don't get mad at yourself for thinking the best way to appease those rats is by douching with Velveeta. Secondly, forgive yourself for trying to fight jingles, stuff in my favorite bag. Completely suffocating guys from your funny thighs, okay? Trust me, I have been there, girls, and every woman has experienced that exact same situation as well. You are not alone, okay? But I learned a much simpler solution. Advil. Maybe some tampons or a pad. I've tried tampons, they're not bad. Okay, but don't use those supers, those are too big. Okay. Let's get to that next question, okay? Now, is feeling horny wrong? No. You hear me? Let's get to that next one. Yeah. Okay, so I know what you're thinking, girls. I do. You're trying to fix the rat problem on your own. You're pretty sure you have a queso infection. And your pussy murdered a pussy. So you say fuck it, decide to have sex, because you're still a virgin, 26, and it's your motherfucking birthday. So you meet Dawn at the Home Depot garden section, but before you two get busy, you try to be honest. So you say, hey, Dawn, I want you to know. So then he says, I mean, baby girl, that's cool, at least you don't have crabs. And then you say, no, nigga, seriously, I don't have crabs, I have rats, and they gonna eat your little dick right off. Hold up, bitch, you serious? And you say, yes, Duran, I'm serious. And then he, a man, spends the next 6 hours telling you a woman about your body. Every other man in Home Depot wants to chime in and mansplain to you. They know more about the anal anatomy than you do. And so then you cry, and you cry, and you cry. Because you're relieved there are no rats. Oh my God. You're gonna need to be a mouse hunt because you never had a mouse cut. So you decide to go into schools and tell little girls about their bodies and let them know the only things that should go in their vaginas are fingers, cum, and the occasional good-sized cucumber, okay? Girls, I truly wish I talked to my parents a lot sooner. I mean, maybe honestly, you should give it a try too, okay? So, are there any more questions? No? Okay, well, I'm just gonna go butter my areolas because I'm pretty sure I have a UTI in my ass.
He hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get offended. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to daily. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to make it. He know it's very expensive to daily. Tell him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna. I can be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I need rich shit. My money thick.
The sentimental rituals of Alpha, Beta, Theta initiation are complete. Now we get to do the fun part.
I got nervous.
I know, I cannot wait to be hazed.
In order to be officially initiated into our chapter, you have to drink Pepsi Fire from the Goblet of Sisterhood.
No.
It's cinnamon flavored and super gross. Welcome to the first round of your hazing.
Wait, what? What is that? Okay, but only if you want to, girls, okay? As your pledge class mom, I'm here if anything makes you uncomfortable. No, that's bad. That's really weak hazing. That's not good enough.
Oh, well, most sororities and frats, got shut down because they were hazing too hard.
So we take things extremely easy here. Okay?
But trust me though, okay? Trust me, this is still a sick ass burn.
I'll kneel again. Just wait. Hey, you, so I'll be reciting.
No, girls, we don't do that here. Okay, yeah, so get down. Thank you, get down. Great, okay, 2, great. Let's get back to the ritual.
It's so flat.
I pass the goblet down to my sisters.
Oh my God.
It's like water.
Oh my God.
I'm Mormon.
Okay, let's amp it up a little bit.
That is your husband's liquid. What are you doing?
Okay. Now everyone spit in here and then pass it back to me and I'm gonna check this shit. Spit in it!
Bianca, just drink it as is.
Okay,
Fresh glass.
No! I'll chug it.
Where'd you pick her?
I don't know, she's so promised. Well, now I call on Sister Vanessa to comment on Hot Boy Summer's Instagram.
No, I don't want you. No, I don't want you. He's so hot, I can't.
Wait, what?
Oh my God. She's insane.
Hi Tucker, it's me, Bianca. I want to see your cute little dickie.
Oh my God, no, I didn't need that.
I'll go over there and cut his dick off. I don't care. Whatever. Whatever you girls want me to do. No, do it. Like, I'll fucking do anything for you guys.
Oh yeah, but you're pretty intense.
I'm very intense. They might have you cut off my head and replace it with a goat skull. Cut off my fucking head and replace it with a goat skull. You guys, I'm just playing, okay? It's roasting. It's part of sorority hazing, okay? It's part of the culture. Look, I thought maybe you guys would have trouble with ideas, so I bought something that would kind of ease it. Look, I'll go first. Look at me, I'm such a fucking dumb bitch. Okay, why don't you guys kick me in the back and call me ugly while you put lash extensions on my asshole?
We don't do that here. Have some self-respect, please.
I'm just a girl standing in front of a sorority, begging to be kicked in the face. Anyone, please do that for me. I need this. I guess it's good stuff for me. As we go.
All the time together.
And as our lives whatever, we will still be friends forever.
Somebody kick me!
Then I proceeded to glow. Damn, so distressing, no. Fuck who I wanna, and then I'ma kick in the dough. You already know.
You ain't know that's baby girl. Still run away, that's baby girl. Every nigga want no baby girl. But mostly I can't handle baby girl. Who that did, that's baby girl. Make her own money, that's baby girl. Still getting paid, still run away. Ain't nobody like that baby girl.
So I said, that's not my car. And that was the last time I saw my dad. Oh my God, Jordan, you're so funny.
You tell the best stories.
So,
Well, wait. I mean, she doesn't tell the best stories. Like, I have a story that can kick Jordan's stories ass.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay, so you guys know how I drive that Ford Explorer, right?
I love that car.
Okay, so on my way here, my Google Maps just like crashes out of nowhere, okay? So I'm driving around and like getting kind of lost, and I end up in this neighborhood that I've never been to before. And then suddenly I'm like, holy shit, I'm exploring in my Explorer. Exploring. And that's why I was late.
Okay, cool. So anyway, Jordan, Dr. Ian,
That wasn't the end of the story. That wasn't the end of the story. I'm exploring in my Explorer, and I'm like driving around, like literally driving up and down all these streets. Like I'm driving. All of a sudden I'm like, wait, I'm literally driving myself crazy. And then it's like starting to get dark, and like I literally only have one headlight that works on my car even. So I was like, oh my god, like it's getting so dark, like I hope I don't hit something or hit on something. Oops, I'm slutty. Oh my god, and then then literally like it's getting so dark and like the street lights aren't even coming on, which is like weird, right? Like Stranger Things, like season 3. Ooh, I feel the chills, you know? And so it's so dark I can't see anything. And then I hit something. Suddenly, literally hit something, you guys. And so I was just like I just felt it, and like instead of like because it was too dark, I didn't want to like stop and get out. I just kind of like slowly rolled over it, which is hilarious because people always tell me what to slow my roll. And then I see in the rearview mirror, I hit a mother deer. Aww, right? And mother deer was with 2 like little babies, and like, oh, I just like saw them through the rear, and I literally heard myself say out loud, oh dear. Like, without even realizing like the irony of that. So I'm looking at the deer. The little ones are just kind of like looking at me like, what did you do, you know? And then so I'm like, oh god, I feel so bad. It's like they know that I also don't have a mom. It's like this weird connection. So I just like try to like break the tension with some comedy. So I was like, yo, mama is dead. And that's when I got out of the car. And I walked around to the back of the vehicle, and I saw the mama deer. She was laying on the ground. She was still alive at this point. Remember? No, you weren't there. I was just looking at her. I was the only one on the road, and she was laying there, and I could hear her breathing, just kind of. I knew she was in pain, and I knew what I had to do, and so I just reached into my car and I grabbed a water bottle, and I came out and I just started beating her over the head. I was just beating her. And she fell to the ground, and I knew I could see the exact moment that life just passed from her body. It was terrible, and it was beautiful, and it was so confusing, and those little deer were looking at me, and they knew, I don't have a mom either. I grew up without a mom, that's how come I can't love good. And I don't know this little guy to go out into the world like that, and so I looked at him, and I knew in that second
second leg. I said I'm gonna beat the little one first because I think the little one can. It was like Sophie's choice, but like if Sophie had to beat all their kids to death with water bottle. I went to the little one and I just started beating him and beating him and beating him and beating him, and he fell to the ground quicker than his mom. And I looked up to the older one who hadn't run away yet for some reason. I just started beating him and beating him and beating him and beating him, and of course he fell to the ground. And then they were all there in this heap on the side of the road. And I looked down and I saw my hands were covered in blood, and I was shaking like a baby. I just remember thinking, what am I doing? What am I doing? And then I was like, oh my God, I know what I'm doing. I'm beating this story to death. Just like I beat those deer. With this water bottle, actually. Hey-o. Yeah.
We literally just got back from Jordan's aunt's funeral 2 hours ago.
I just got it.
Young ass kid, ass could rap. Fuck all the faculty, tobacco packing, acrobat. Back and forth, reveals a back and forth, some weed. I'm back to pack on heads with young leaders to pack my back. Little nigga with a nose ring, that's right. Just here to rap this song. Bag on my hair, rap weed and fingers, rockin' nigga bomb. Sing a song, but you don't know. Well, I still bang with you, sit drink with you, as long as I can sing with you. Like, this shit my favorite song. You just don't know the words, but I still fuck with you. You just ain't never heard. It go like count that stick, pop that captain down that check. All my niggas hit that shit, and all my ladies got that bitch. My jam is my jam, my jam is my jam, my jam, my jam.
I want to thank you all for coming to my dinner. I first want to apologize. I know that I have been quite reclusive lately, maybe a little distant, distracted perhaps.
I'll say. After this guy dodged his tickets and he didn't even text me back.
Well, I'm sure once you see why I've been MIA, you'll understand. Behold! Yes. I sat here for the last 4 years practicing, and now I can move stuff with my mind.
That's incredible. Can you do it again?
Do we want to see it again?
Yes.
That's good. Just gonna need a towel.
Of course, I'm very new at this. Let me get you a towel. Let me get you a towel.
Yeah, get him one now.
Let me get you a towel.
All right.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Well, obviously, I'm very new at this, and I'm still sort of working out the heat.
Yeah, okay, Dennis, honestly, this is just breathtaking.
Thank you.
I mean, like, what do you think it is? The Force, some alien powers, or?
Have you tried CrossFit?
No, it's not. It's difficult to characterize. It's a feeling, but also a muscle.
And it's also kind of messy.
That's fair.
Let's think. Try something new. You're paying. Do that. Do that.
People, the table, the room wants me to move the painting.
Yeah.
Okay. I move the painting. I'm sorry, everyone. Obviously, I was just trying to move the painting. Okay, I'm still new at this, and I'm kind of working on.
Working out the kinks? Yeah, I heard you. 3 plates in a lap ago.
Okay. Dennis, once you master this, there's no telling what you can do with this gift.
Thank you, Tara.
Yes.
I appreciate that. More wine?
Just pour it.
Yes, please.
Just okay, the painting. That's No one leave! No one leave!
Honestly, Dennis, spaghetti on the floor makes me sick.
Come on. Everyone, please bear with me. I have a whole thing planned. Okay, I made creme brulee.